In the previous learning activity, we have used the T code F-T2 for invoice posting. There is one more T code which we will be preferred by end user for posting the invoices. It is FB70. What it is? It is FB70. The end users always prefer to use this T code for posting the account receivable invoice, as they do not have to remember the posting keys for posting the documents. The path from the SAP Easy Access is accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivables, document entry, and then it is invoice. So you have to double click on this invoice, or else you can always use the transaction code which I told you previously, that is FB70. As you can see in this screen, we don't need to enter the posting key 01 and 50 manually. Correct, right? If you observe this, there is no need to enter the posting key 01 and 50 manually. The end users can select whether it is a credit or debit using the drop down for each entry. Let's create a posting document. For that, enter the customer account number, and here I'll just select as eBay and the invoice date along with the amount 12,000. Then the GL account, that is my credit sales account, and then I'll enter the amount here as well. The end users can select whether it's a credit or debit using the drop down for each entry. This is a kind of easy screen, and end users prefer to use this T code. Just like our GL account posting, the end users have the option to hold the documents and park document functionality for customer invoice posting as well. Yes, there is an option. Let me show you how we park the document using this screen, and you can explore whole documents by yourself. For that, just click on this simulate button. When you click on the simulate button, the system will navigate us to the new window. Here, you can verify the posting entries, customer account debit, as well as credit sales account credit. To save the document, what you have to do is you need to click the save button, which is in the top of the screen. But if you use any of these buttons, the document will be parked and will not be posted. Remember this. If you use any of these buttons, then the document will be parked and will not be posted. To show you this, I'll just click on this complete button. As you can see the message by SAP, the document 6 followed by 3 zeros and 1 has been parked. 6 followed by 3 zeros and 1 has been parked. Now, just go to document and select display. This will display the parked documents. Now, to enter the edit mode of the parked document, click on this edit document button. So, this will take me to edit mode of the parked document. Now, I'll just delete the parked document and go to document and click on delete parked document. Now, the system will ask for the confirmation so that it can just delete the parked document. So, here you have to click on yes button. Now, the parked document is deleted. In this way, you can manage the parked documents. Now, what I'll do is I'll just post the invoice from this screen only. Enter the customer account number, and I'll select as eBay and invoice date, and you have to also enter the amount, that is 15,000. Then the GL account, that is my credit sales account, and enter the amount 15,000 here as well. Now just click on simulate button. I can verify the journal entries that will be posted. Now, I'll click on the save button, which is present on the top of the screen, and the document will be posted. Here, the document is posted. Now, I'll just switch to my previous session on FB Alpha again. Now, we can verify that open items are created for the customer eBay. I'll now just switch back to FBL3 and T code screen. Here, I'll just go to list and click on refresh. I can verify that open items are present for account receivables GL account. What it is that? It is open items are present for account receivable GL account. This means whether we create via F-22 or FB70, the impact will be exactly same. Yes, the impact will be same. I'll post the incoming payments and clear the open items. Now I'll switch back to the screen where we posted the invoice. From here, enter the /n in the command field and just hit enter so that this will take me to SAP Easy Access screen. Now double click on F-28, that is incoming payments. I will post the incoming invoice for our customer. I'll just make the entries and just click on save button. Now it is completed. Yes, it is completed now. Here, I'll just switch back to my FBL5 screen and go to list and just click on this refresh. Open items are now cleared. What you can observe here is the open items are now cleared. So, just switch back to FBL3 and report screen, go to list and click on refresh, and the open items are cleared here as well. Got it? Clear? Good.